Hey guys, my name is Rachel Moore and I am a yoga teacher based in Dublin. I'm going to be bringing you through a short seated yoga practice today, and it's going to be ocean inspired. I have this crazy obsession with the ocean. It brings me such a sense of calm and peace in my life. And in a lot of my classes, I like to get my students to imagine their body as a wave. So as you inhale, you're lengthening into a pose, you're building up energy, just like in a wave. And then as you exhale, you're releasing tension, you're releasing energy from the body. So if you want to incorporate that concept into today's practice, please do. And I really hope you enjoy it. So yeah, let's get started. We're going to begin seated. Really sit back into your chair, lengthen through the spine, and gently flutter the eyes closed, planting the feet firmly on the floor here and placing your hands on your knees or your thighs. First, so we're going to do a breathing technique that is called Ujjayi breathing. So first of all, I want you on your next exhale to breathe out through your mouth, so sigh it out. So the next round of breath, we're going to do the exact same thing, but with the mouth closed. So we're technically sighing into the mouth, with the mouth closed and a little constriction at the back of the throat. So inhaling through the nose and sighing into the mouth. Keep going here with your ocean breathing. This can be a really powerful technique for balancing out the nervous system. So if you ever feel anxious, if you ever feel stressed, you can always just sit down, engage in a few rounds of this ocean breathing, and it can really help calm down your nervous system. So we're slowly going to start bringing some movement into the body, starting with the head. So first of all, we're going to drop the head over towards the left shoulder, and on an exhale, bringing it down towards the ground. Inhale over towards the right shoulder, up towards the sky. Exhale as it falls back down towards the left and down towards the ground. Inhale to rise. Exhale to fall. Just like the wave, inhaling to rise. Exhale to fall. Inhale to rise. Exhale to fall. Last one. Let's swap it over. Inhale, bring that head over towards the left shoulder, all the way up towards the sky. Exhale down towards the right shoulder, down towards the ground. Keep going here. Inhale as you rise. Exhale as you fall. Nice. After one more round, we're going to meet back in center. Lift the head. Really, really nice. So from here, we're going to bring a little bit of movement into the arms. So let's sweep the hands up towards the sky. Really nice. Grab the right wrist with the left hand, and we're slowly leaning over towards the left-hand side here. So nice side body stretch. Keep your neck nice and neutral here. And the same thing applies on every exhale. Think of sinking deeper into the stretch and keeping the glutes firmly planted into the seat here as well. Just a reminder to connect back with your ocean breathing here. Nice, back to center, swapping over the hands and leaning over towards the other side. Yoga can be such a nice way to just step back from the world for a little while and look inwards. Give yourself a little bit of time to reconnect with yourself. Just notice how you feel as well. Coming back to center. From here, arms stretch up to the sky on an inhale. Exhale, we're coming into cactus. Arms open up through the chest. Think of pressing those shoulder blades together. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fall. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fall. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fall. From here, let's push our arms forward, rounding into the spine. Bring the arms back and give yourself a little bit of a hug. So really round the spine here, drop the head. And maybe shake left to right here. Again, this is ocean inspired, so let everything be fluid. Bring in your own little movements. Really nice. When you're ready, we are releasing the arms and coming up to seated. So we're going to finish off today's practice with a few rounds of sides, which is what I like to do at the end of every yoga class I teach, just to really let go of any residual tension in the body. So together, we're going to inhale through the nose, maybe close the eyes, and exhale through the mouth. Side out. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. One more. Inhale in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Gently flutter your eyes open if they aren't already. And we are going to bring some awareness back into the room around us. Take note of what's in your visual field, what's around you. Bring some wrist rolls into the hands. Maybe tap the feet off the ground. Really nice. On the last inhale, sweep the hands up towards the sky. Look up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the hands to the heart. Thank you so much for joining me today for this very short practice. It's mainly been upper body movements because we're confined to the space, but I still hope that you enjoyed it and feel a little bit lighter, a little bit calmer than you did when we started. This is a really simple practice that you can do at your desk. You can do it when you feel stressed or as a preventative for stress as well. So thank you so much, and hopefully I get to do this in person sometime.